Hey guys. I don't know what to say. So today's December 31st. We made it another year strong, another beautiful year. But for the people that unfortunately did not make it through 2024, may they rest in peace. So I know you may be wondering, what is this? This whole little this setup looks cinematic right now. I know, but my bad, there's a fly. But basically, I just want to take this time, just just talk. I'm not really used to doing this. I'm trying to be able to just be able to talk easily, like way more easily. Trying to connect my mind to my mouth, because these videos might be like, oh, this guy's mad funny. Is it talking so much? Yeah. So it's like the only time where I feel like I'm myself, kind of thing. Like I kind of just go off of everything. Like my I don't know. It's a different, it's an interesting thing that I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, the whole reason I'm making this video is just to do a recap of the whole year, because I kind of was gone for most of it. Looking at the calendar, the last video 2023 was the Goku Lethal Company video, which did crazy. When I finished editing that video, I was like, this video is gonna be amazing. This video is amazing. I know it's gonna do so well, and it did. And I put in a lot of effort in that video, but it was also one of the most fun I've had in a while, especially during that time. And then the very first video of 2024 was in February. So that long jump, there was a long jump right there. What basically, I was just going through a lot of personal things, and I didn't really have the strength to make a video, or not even just not even to just make a video, but more so to edit a video, because that video, the other lethal video that came out during that time, I already made that. I think that was in the same session. After everything, I was so cooked. I was like, all right, I was able to get this video out. I'm gonna try to keep going. So that's March 13th. And I was like, I think I was really contemplating on just making a video like this. So I was like, all right, let me just make a little channel update. I was on a roll. Like 2023 was a very good year. I was really starting to try to upload as much as I could, even though during that whole year it was very difficult, because I had started going to college and trying to manage my time correctly, and it was very difficult. It was more so I was gladly putting my time to, oh, I just turned on the camera. I was putting more time into schoolwork, of course, and it was also trying to be able to do YouTube as well, because YouTube has always been a thing that I've loved doing all those things. And I was able to get videos out. Were they good? No. Maybe in your opinion, maybe 2023 was definitely an amazing year, and this year very questionable. I then started to post 2 videos. I think it was an actual week apart. I actually had a schedule. And one of them was probably playtime. We're gonna get into that. The other one was Fortnite, because I just played Fortnite with my roommate and my friends. That was the last video until October, which I came back playing Sparking Zero. So what happened? What was going on? I was emotionally drained during October of 2023 to basically January, February. Just I was at rock bottom. I'm not gonna lie. You remember? Yeah, in that channel update video, I was like, I'm okay now. Deep inside, I was like, I'm not okay. I'm still not okay now. But I still tried anyways. And you can see how that happened. This whole year was definitely a growth year and a learning experience for me, because refinding myself and knowing that if I just put my mind to things, I can do literally anything that I want to do. And whether it's YouTube, um, a completely different career entirely. I know that I'm able to do it because God willing, I'll be able to do it. I feel like that's definitely one of my like best characteristics. I'm able to just do things just because I feel like like I learned how to edit on my own. Like, you know, of course through tutorials, but I learned how to edit on my own. I learned how to do other things on my own. It's always good to have someone else there for you, even if, like, you know, you wanna have that story to me like, oh, I did all this by myself, I don't need nobody. It's actually an amazing thing to have someone with you. Truly, you don't need to be alone to do things, and a lot of people do that. Yeah, I was very much gone during that time. I was really struggling with everything, trying to handle life and still doing school, mind you, and then doing this. If there's one thing you guys can know about me, is that I'm very much a overachiever. I do so many different things. And then I still want to do more things too. Videography, like low key, I want to just like make stuff. Not even just like this, just like actually make like movies possibly. Turn back on before I turn you on myself. Like, I want to like record stuff. Vlogging might be a thing in the future. I don't know. Photography too. I'm an artist. Like, I be drawing stuff. Like, I do so much, and I love doing every single thing that I do. And I feel like that's something that a lot of people don't really try to do. They just like seeing the outcome of those things, so it doesn't matter if they love doing it or not. But you should be able to love the thing that you're doing. Of course, even when it's hard to, or when you don't want to. But it's different when you're forcing yourself to do it versus when you love to do it. Those are just two completely different things. Also, this is like the only time you're gonna see me in this area for a while, because these videos that I've been posting I've made those. I made those in December, bro. Today is December. I made those 2-3 weeks ago. So all the videos you're gonna be seeing is just from before I am now, you know, back at home on vacation. You know, I also just focused on trying to heal from my past in general, just like all the mistakes I made, like personally realizing that, bro, everything is a learning, is to learn, you know? So just because you did something that you didn't like back then doesn't mean you can't forgive yourself, because I really have trouble doing that, but I've been working on it. It's been doing very well. So I have a problem forgiving myself for things, and I was always also trying to be the person that I wanted to be instead of just becoming that person. And it's like it's different because it's like a boy trying to be a man instead of becoming a man. If you understand. You understand what I'm saying? But as you can see from, you know, uploading these videos, that I'm really loving, you know, making videos again. And I have been going hard since October 13th, October 19th, bro. I have been just going. I have been consistent in everything I've been doing. I've been living the dream, man. Even though it's not like crazy. Oh shoot! I just realized this is down. Because all I really want is just to be able to help others with humor. Show them that there is somebody there that understands other people. And what I mean by that is just like, you know, for who I believe is that, you know, Jesus died and suffered the consequences of my own sins. Is my mic recording? That without him, I wouldn't be who I am right now, who I will be in the future. It's just that peace and that strength and the wisdom and the knowledge that I've been able to just receive. There's just no way you're not real. I'm sorry. If you're struggling with your faith right now, just know that everyone goes through it. I was going through it this past week. So I was going through it last week too, because I edited that video within a day. Not only is it that I posted that 2 days ago, but it's doing really well right now. Freaking, as of recording right now, it's at 233 views. God willing, man. he's gonna show you and bless you in many ways that you didn't even think of. Oh yeah, and you remember in that channel update video where I said, you know, you'll lose something that you never thought you'd lose, and you gain something that you never thought you'd gain. Yeah, I gained. I gained. I gained. Blessed be God. Yeah, I realize I need to be disciplined if I really want to be able to do things I want to do as well. Like, just because I can do other things that I never thought I would even think about doing or would want to do, there's gonna be days where I'm not gonna like doing it. In fact, I won't want to do it. And that's when discipline comes in, because motivation can only last for so long. That's when discipline comes in and it starts to really form into your own creative like thing. Not turning it into a job, but for me, the reason why I'm even like constantly doing this right now, like, you know, doing things I've been wanting to do outside of YouTube as well, it's just like that past version of you that wanted to start and that saw a future. That's what also keeps me going, remembering that past version of me had an idea, and this whole thing is just the journey. Sit with that if you will, but everything is truly a blessing in my life, and I'm blessed to have freaking 19,000 not 1,900 subscribers, almost at 2,000. I could have reached 2,000 from before, but I wouldn't be who I am right now if I didn't take a break. Every single time I upload, I'm always filled with gratitude and appreciation from Jesus and you guys as well, for whoever may be watching this right now. I don't know who's gonna be watching this. Shoot, probably no one's watching this right now, and I'm just yapping. Thank you for the people that stick by me every single moment. People that aren't with me anymore, thank you. I appreciate every single person on this earth, even if they don't love me like I love them, because I truly care about like every single person, even if like I don't even know them, because they're just like me. They go through suffering, they go through pain, they go through humor, they go through all the emotions. So why are we choosing to act different with certain people because of things that we believe about a certain group of people or whatever it may be, or just because of how they look, or you're just judging them on what they do? What is the point, bro? we're all gonna not be here one day. In my eyes, when I feel like, you know, when I'm like, you know, about to go on, as of right now, I'm just thinking, did I do enough? And I do a lot. I always feel like I need to do more than what I do, because with all the things in the world, man, so many different things you can do, and people only get stuck on doing one. I'm trying to do many. I am trying to do many things. Everything is just so beautiful. But we're coming up on 20 minutes. We're on 22 minutes right now of me recording. So I feel like I should, you know, start to wrap this up. I'm filled with the Lord's joy. I've really been understanding that, you know, we all suffer, but the suffering is truly the blessing, because we won't understand how good the good it truly is. Even though we don't want to go through it, it's necessary to go through it, because it's what creates the difference in everyone. I actually want to have a little disclaimer that the next Poppy playtime video, yeah, chapter 2, let's just say that when I recorded it, mind you, that was back when I recorded the first video, I may have changed the settings on the video, so then at first it was completely fine, but I was like, nah, I need to change it. I need to put the scaling down so my laptop can run, because I had a laptop at the time. I had a laptop for like, I still had that laptop, but for like two years I was using that laptop to make videos.
Please stop this madness.
So, you know, I tried to reduce the quality, and I might have forgot to readjust the scale within OBS. So what I'm trying to say is that the quality of the video within the gameplay might be horrendous, but there was no Oh wait, no, there was a problem as well, but you're gonna see that in the video. There was another problem with the video, but during the time of like me being gone, I was like editing it a little bit, but I am not done with it. Like as of today, I've touched it a little bit. I'm like probably 1/3 of the way through it, but I know I could finish that today. I'm not gonna lie. And just because I'm uploading this video does not mean that I won't be uploading on Saturday. You'll get a video on Saturday at 1 p.m. Don't you worry. Well, I don't think I mentioned this, but I also want to be able to. There's gonna be a few changes on the channel. You know, I'm gonna start, you know, doing a little experimenting. You know what I mean? So stay tuned for that. And truly, I love you guys. I love all of you. This is 2025. Who knows? Maybe this is the year where greatness happens. All jokes aside, to another blessed and amazing year. So if you're struggling with anything, if you're struggling with life, if you're struggling with school, you know, give Jesus a chance, because truly I'm just I'm just the messenger, man. I'm just the messenger. Give him a chance. Actually give him a chance. And I'll mean a chance as in I'm gonna read a part of the Bible and then just head up out of here. Really give him a chance, because you can only see how, like, my emotions and how I feel about things. And this is honestly like a like, I could be up here, but I'm right here right now. Give him a little bit of your time. It could be 5 minutes, it could be 10 minutes of your time out the day, because the joy and peace that he gives me when you truly understand him, understand what he's trying to get across, that's what makes the difference. You can't lean on your own understanding when you're trying to understand something heavenly. That's a place we haven't even been at yet, and most of us probably won't go to, unfortunately. So thank you guys. I said thank you guys like mad times, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I tried to end this video like 17 times already, but thank you for an amazing year, even though I came during the end. Thank you guys for an amazing year, and this is just a 2025. So may many blessings go to you guys, and I pray for prosperity within everyone, discipline, discernment, and to another amazing year to come. So stay blessed out here. You get scary sometimes, and to 2025.